Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nishant, and today in this video I will take you a walkthrough to the Google's latest AI release Gemini 2.5 Pro version 0506, which is just dropped on May 6, 2025, and I will walk you through what's new, why it's matter, and how you can actually use it. In simple words, so you don't need to be a tech expert to follow along this video. So, what exactly is Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 is? Well, it's a Google most advanced AI model so far, and this version brings some major upgrades, especially for anyone who is working with code or building softwares, but way more faster and more capable. It's designed to help with everything from answering to tough questions to writing and improving complex codes, making it a real game changer for developers and creators. What makes this update so important? On the benchmark test, Gemini 2.5 Pro has now surpassed the major competitors like Claude 3.7s, making it one of the most powerful models you can access today, as you can already see on your screen. How you can start using Gemini 2.5 Pro? Access is pretty simple. You can head over to the Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com, where you can even get an API key to plug into your own apps and workflow. There is also gemini.google.com for general use, and if you want the full premium access, you can subscribe to the Gemini Advanced for $20 a month. There is a great news, like if you were already using a old Gemini version, Google upgrade you automatically to this new one. What's the biggest deal about the million token context window? This might sound technical, but here's a simple version. It's about memory. The million token context window means Gemini can keep track of huge amounts of information in one session. Around 7 lakhs word, which is about 5 full textbook, 1 hour long of video, or 11 hour of audios, or 30,000 line of codes. That's way more than the most other models, and it let Gemini work on large detailed projects without losing the track or forgetting what you gave it earlier. What Gemini 2.5 Pro can do beyond just text. Here it gets really exciting because Gemini is a multimodal. That means it does not just work with words. It can process video URLs to generate magic apps or codes, combine an image with a prompt to help you build interactive applications, and even analyze audio and text together. This opens up creative and interactive workflow that go way beyond the simple text-based chat. How much does it cost, and is it worth it? Considering how powerful Gemini 2.5 Pro is, the price is surprisingly competitive. It costs about $3.40 per million input tokens, which is roughly half of the price of Claude 3.7. For the smaller project, under 2 lakhs token, it even cheaper at $1.25 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens. For large extended tasks, the rate is about $15 per million output token. This price made it accessible to individuals, developers, small teams, and large companies. Why does all this matter and who should care? With these improvements, Gemini 2.5 Pro is not just a nice upgrade, it's a real game changer for industries like software development, law, finance, healthcare, and etc. It helps teams make better articulate decisions, manage large scale coding refactoration, building front end application more effectively, and transfer complex workflows, all without breaking under pressures. To wrap it up, Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 stand one of the most advanced, capable AI model you can get your hands on today. With its massive memory, advanced coding tool, multimodal ability, and fairing price, it's quickly become one of the top choices for anyone looking to work smarter and faster with the help of AI. That's it for today breakdowns, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AI explainer like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.